slowly. First time you have to up and down your two legs. You are showing like that. Two, and raise your hand and raise your head like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now relaxing and back of your heads and the heads and crossing your legs like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you easily and faster you have to do that. And cross your legs. Cross your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, like that. You can up your bodies like that. Come on, up your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Cross check. Yes, crossing like that. Your body and head. Crossing, crossing. Yes, like that. Okay, cross your body and like that. Everybody. Go. Cross. 1, 2, like that. Okay, again. Relaxing. Again. Okay, that's good. Okay. Good. Okay. That's good. Okay, good.